Okay, so now we have all of that in between stitching done. It's all done. So now what we can do is take our pins out. And the only final thing that we have to do now is just to press it. And when we press it, that little extra bit of slack that we have there, it will actually come down and just be there for extra use. So now when you see it, it's going to come down like this, and you have a little bit of slack underneath where the actual stitching has been done. That gives you that extra slack of movement, and that way you don't have an outside bubble where it's too much tension between the lining and the outer layer. Okay, so now that jacket is all done. All we have to do is just press. So I always save my pressing for last, but you can always press along the way. You could press the finish in. Certain things you can do along the way, but we're going to save it for last since we're working on these segments of projects.